Please subscribe and click on the bell icon to get notifications when the new video is uploaded. Let's see how to make Fenugreek Puttu or Uluva Puttu. 1 cup raw rice, 1 cup urad dal and a handful of fenugreek. Soak it for at least 2 hours. After 2 hours, rinse the water and grind it coarsely. Make sure you are adding no or as little water as required for grinding. Grease the idli making plate with oil and take the batter in hand like this and dip it in the grated coconut so that it sticks like this, and keep it in the idli plate. Likewise, fill all the idli plates. Now let's cover the other side of the batter with coconut. Placing it inside the idli cooker and steaming it for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, our Fenugreek Puttu is ready. The best combination are having this puttu with sugar or any spicy non-veg curries. Thanks for watching. Try at home, and guys, please stay at home. Do not go out.